Hello, this is a video tutorial on how to use my PowerPoint presentation for celebration of life. This template can be found on my Etsy site, which I will put in the description. So this particular design, you can change the background of the presentation, like this floral background. You can move it, but I wouldn't suggest it. But for each one, if you want to change the background colors, say you didn't like the color blue, you can go to design and format background and make sure the solids fill is selected, and then choose whatever color you want. So this particular design, the title is not editable because it's a font that I made. But if you don't like the title, you can delete it and just put your own title. But the rest of the text are editable by just double clicking and start typing whatever you want. You can change, of course, the font type and the size. With the picture, you can right click and hit change picture from whatever source your picture is stored in. And this button here is the music that I added. This button won't show up when you do the presentation, but to insert a video or audio, of course, go to insert and then audio, and you can record audio or choose it from your PC or Mac, whatever you're using. And for it to continuously play, you can select it and go to playback and hit play in background, right? And you can select hide during show, play across slides, loops, or whatever settings you're trying to do. Of course, transitions are here, so you have to do it for each one, and it's whatever you're wanting to do for the transitions. Again, you have to use it for each slide, and animations is for each object on here. So you can choose whatever animation you're wanting to do, or you can leave it blank. And to duplicate slides, you can just choose a slide that you're trying to duplicate and right click and hit duplicate, and you'll have additional slides. You can duplicate any of these as many times as you need. If you have like 50 pictures or something like that, you can do that. But originally there are 9 slides, so you can choose from the different designs on here. And then once you're done, you can obviously save and go to file, and you can either save it as a PDF or leave it as a PowerPoint, or you can make it a movie. Okay, like down here you can do MP4, Windows media video. If you do that, I would suggest, if you're doing it into a movie, to at least do a timing so it doesn't just run through the automatic settings for the slides. I hope that was helpful. Have a good day.